Hello everyone, this is Ritesh from Dancing with Data क्योंकि data ही data है. So this is my website tableauinfo.com where I put my blogs. So if you are interested, please go and visit the same. And what is the use case today? So you can see this is a question from the Tableau community where the user wants to have constant background blue background color over there for the month of August 21, but the problem is that the couple of rows over there are null. So what is the issue with the null rows over there? I can add a calculation, as you can see over there for the actual and total. You have null rows over there. So I can write a calculation, and the user has written a calculation by the way. The calculation is if the month of date is month of today, that is the month of August. Where we are in the month of August, right? 18th August 2021. Then true and else false. So that looks pretty straightforward. And if you think that you can put that to color, and you will see, maybe we'll make this a square and maybe we can increase a little bit of size over there, but that's secondary for now. But you can see is that for the null values it won't detect the month for those two null values over there, right? It won't detect. So here now this is a good example where you can see the usage of lookup function, because lookup function can detect for you. So let me go to the function lookup. You can see the syntax over there: lookup, expression, and offset. In this, the expression would be sum of sales over there. Here you can see this is the actual calculation for the below views. So look up expression and you give the offset as well. So in the below example, you can see for Q3, this one, if I give +2 offset, what it can do, it will return the value of the expression in the target row specified as the relative offset from the current row. So I say from the current row, go +2. So 180, if I go +2, 1 and 2. So I see 302678. Now that's the concept we are going to use. If you put that 0 over there, it will give you the current row partition. And if you say -1, it will go back. So how I can make use of the same over there? So in this case, let us start with a calculation. And if I say look up month, and I say look up over there, that's fine. I want month. Okay. And I have date. And let me say offset 0 for now. It will again give you an error saying all fields must be aggregate. So don't worry. I say attribute, and that helps me to get to turn this to aggregate. Okay, fair enough. And I put that lookup to the label, and maybe there will be some distortion over there. Do not worry. I'll need to turn that back to automatic. And this is of no use, this color coding. So I put it out, reduce the size so that it's more visible. Now it's still I have the problem, means that's the problem, right? I cannot detect the month for the null values over there. But with the lookup, I can just go back, right? I can go back and put it over there. Means if I am there, lookup can detect this box, this position, and it can say, I'll say I'll go back to one row, in this case column, because you have the option to go table down and table across, and it should give me something. So I'm close to that. If I get some values over there, then my work is done actually. So I can go back to this very particular function, and instead of 0, I say -1. Great. Now if I equate that to 7, then it helps. Let us see. Partially it will help, maybe not fully. So if I say month of today, right, is August, right? And if I just say apply, but okay, but today I have to go one month back, right? So I'll have to say -1, right? Because August would be like 8. So now I'm in a position to make it a Boolean function, right? So don't worry if it turns red, because the nature has changed. It has turned to Boolean, and if I just put that to color, somehow I'm getting the answer, but it's still not 100%. So true, this is fine. But I'm having some different colors over there. So what I want to have true, means I've got the August 21 as one color, and rest of the output should come under the umbrella false, not null and false, right? So what I can do is I can just go back to my calculation and turn this to if then else. So I say true, else I say false. Here you go. And now if I just put demand over there to the label, that's what we were looking for. I'll just turn that to square again so that I can get the background color over there. And after that, I should turn the other as white, false as white. And that's how we have got the solution. And you can see I have put the solution over there as well. So I'll put that link to my YouTube description, and it worked for her. And with this very particular link, you can download the dummy data, you can download the solution workbook as well. So everything is there. So this is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data, क्योंकि data ही दाता है क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है.